An APN, or access point name, is the pathway that connects your phone to Stand-Up Wireless's mobile network for data and MMS. Configuring it correctly ensures you can browse the internet and send multimedia messages. Stand-Up Wireless primarily uses Verizon's network, and occasionally default settings don't work, necessitating manual configuration. Make sure to check the Stand-Up Wireless app or website for the most up-to-date information. The core APN settings you'll need for Stand-Up Wireless are straightforward. Start with the APN name, which is TF Data. For MMS messaging, use the MMS CURL stf.ms proxy mmmphone.com and MMS port 80. The MCC is 310 and MNC is 410. Set authentication type to none, APN type to default, MMS, SUPL, APN protocol to I4 IPv6, and APN roaming protocol to IPv4. Leave username, password, proxy, port, and server fields blank unless specified by Stand-Up Wireless. These settings ensure proper data and MMS connectivity on Stand-Up Wireless. On your Android device, start by opening the Settings app and navigating to Connections. From there, tap on Mobile Networks, then Advanced, and select Access Point Names. In the Access Point Names menu, tap the plus icon to add a new APN profile. Enter the Stand-Up Wireless APN settings. Set the APN to TF Data MMSC to https TF MMS proxy to mms3.trackphone.com and MMS port to 80. Leave other fields blank, then save the profile and select it as active. Restart your Android device to apply the new APN settings. Once restarted, test your connection by opening a web browser or sending a multimedia message. On your iPhone, start by navigating to Settings, then select Cellular. From there, choose Cellular Data Options, then Cellular Data Network. In the Cellular Data Network screen, enter these APN settings. APN is TF Data, MSC is h-mnstf.net, MMS proxy is ms3.trackphone.com, MS port is 80, MCC through 4410, and APN protocol as IPv4, IPv6. If you encounter issues, you may need to delete any existing APNs before adding the new ones. After entering the settings, return to the Cellular Data Options screen, restart your iPhone, and test your data and MMS connection. If your data or MMS isn't working after configuring APN settings for Stand-Up Wireless, here are some common troubleshooting steps to try. First, try toggling airplane mode on and off. This can reset your cellular connection and often resolves temporary network issues. Second, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted. A loose or incorrectly placed SIM can prevent data and MMS from working. Third, double-check that you've entered all APN settings correctly, paying close attention to capitalization and spacing. Even small errors can prevent connection. If problems persist, contact Stand-Up Wireless support for assistance. For iPhone users, also check for carrier settings updates by going to Settings, then General, then About. Stand-Up Wireless is trending towards eSIM adoption. This digital SIM technology simplifies device setup by eliminating the need for physical SIM cards and reducing manual APN configuration. The future may bring AI-driven APN auto-configuration tools within apps, eliminating manual steps altogether. These advancements aim to improve user satisfaction and reduce support tickets related to APN issues. Android devices generally allow straightforward APN editing via the Settings menu. However, iPhone users may need to delete existing APNs to avoid conflicts. For instance, some users have resolved slow data by updating the APN protocol to IPv6 on their iPhones. On Android, manually setting the APN after a network outage can restore MMS functionality quickly. Check online forums like Reddit's r/Stand-Up Wireless for user-reported solutions. Experts suggest app-based tools could significantly boost user satisfaction by simplifying APN configuration. Statistics show that 40% of MVNO users manually configure APN at least once. Stand-Up Wireless has a good satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 for straightforward settings. If you run into issues, make sure to contact the support line.